Good morning! Hello!
Good morning!
So today my friend and co-worker Stephanie is coming for a brunch. So Felicia and I are gonna bake chocolate cake. We're also gonna cut a pineapple and we're gonna prepare some pancakes dough. So let's go, Felicia!
Bye-bye!
Oh no, bye-bye, we're gonna film it. You ready to bake? Let's go! So we cut the pineapple, it's in the fridge. The chocolate's almost melted with the coconut oil. And now Chef Felicie is gonna bake the rest of the cake. You ready, Felicie? Yeah? So let's go. Let's go, yeah! Let's go! Done with baking. We baked the little chocolate fondant. Here they are. Cut the pineapple and we prepared the pancakes dough. Here it is. It's gonna wait a little bit. And now we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna put some clothes on. Yeah, and Stephanie's coming.
Hey.
Hello back! We've just arrived at little farm and we're gonna meet some new homeschooler families that we've never seen. So we're gonna spend a little bit of time with them, we're gonna meet them, we're gonna talk with them and we're gonna take care of the animals. Let's go! It's a goat! Felicie, it's a goat!
Good.
Une chèvre, goat.
Whee! Whee!
That's a small slide. Give it here. This one. This one. This one, look. Hello, rabbit. Hello, guinea pig. Oh, look at his ears. Oh, so cute. Oh, Hello, donkey. Hello. Hello. We've arrived downtown of Marseille. I'm with my best friend Cecilia, and we're gonna have brunch at a very cool place. It's called Emilie and the Cool Kids. So let's go. So many yummy coffees. Love you to the moon and back. Rainbow slide. Where are you going? Hey, no! You're cheating. Wow, you got so many diamonds.
Diamonds.
Diamonds? I got the diamonds.
Atta.
Yeah. Cow, calf.
Cow, calf.
Rabbit,
Rabbit, bunny.
Elephant, elephant calf.
Elephant, elephant calf.
Dog, puppies.
Dog, puppy.
Mare, foal.
Goat,
Goat, goat kids.
dog, dog, kid.
Lioness, lion cub.
Yes.
Lion cub. Monkey, baby monkey.
Monkey, baby monkey.
Duck, ducklings.
Duck, ducky.
Cat, kitten.
Cat, kitten.
Bear, bear cubs.
Bear, bear cubs.
Good job! Good morning! I am inside of my own car and I'm alone because I'm going at my tattoos appointment today. I'm gonna get my upper right arm, all of my upper right arm and my shoulder tattooed today. I'm so excited. I ordered 2 cool illustrations, very beautiful, from 2 very talented illustrators. And so I'm gonna get it tattooed today. I'm very happy. I hope I can film inside the shop, but I think it's gonna be okay. The tattoo artist, she's very cool. So let's go there. It's gonna be a long and maybe painful day, but it's not my first tattoo, so let's go. Break. First break. Good morning, or I would say good afternoon, because it's not morning here anymore. It's almost 2 p.m. but I worked night shift last night as usual, so I slept a little bit this morning and now it's almost morning for me. Anyway, I'm in my car and I'm going at my friend Maureen, who's also a homeschool mom. We're going there with another homeschool mom because we're gonna help her to graduate. She's becoming a parenting consultant, parenthood consultant, maybe parenting consultant, I don't know. Anyway, so she's hosting some workshops, parenting workshops. So we already had one 2 weeks ago, and now that's the second one. We have a total of 8 workshops. So let's go there. Hello!
Hello.
We've arrived at the park. Yeah, the park, and we're gonna meet with our homeschooling friends.
We homeschooling
Friends, yeah, and you're gonna ride your balance bike. Are you gonna have fun? Let's go. Are you climbing the wall? Hello there. Are you a tiger? Whoa, there's a tiger on this big rock. Yeah!